So today's recipe is bread pizza sticks and pizza sauce. When you want to make a quick snack for your young ones, instead of a sandwich, how about making a pizza breadstick where we will replace the traditional pizza base with bread slices which has a similar look and also satisfies the taste palette of your kiddos. I'll also be showing you how to make some yummy homemade pizza sauce. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more updates. Also, do like and share. So these are the ingredients: bread slice, olives, mushrooms, green, yellow and red bell pepper, some boiled corn, some boiled chicken which is optional if you're making a vegetarian version, some spring onions, cheese slice, and of course some homemade pizza sauce which I'll be showing you in the later part of this video. To begin with, we'll cut the edges of our sliced bread. Now we'll take these slices and give them a gentle press with the help of a rolling pin. And we'll be doing the same procedure for the second slice too. Then we'll be placing a cheese slice in between the two slices just to give the cheese burst effect. Then we'll be applying the pizza sauce on top of it. Here I'm adding a little bit of mozzarella cheese. And here goes some boiled chicken. Now, as you know, all these toppings can be added and mixed match as per your choice. It doesn't have to be exactly the way I am showing you. So here goes some mushrooms, some bell peppers. Since we are adding a lot of vegetables in this could be a very good option to feed your fussy eaters who don't like veggies that much. Now here I have added a bit of spring onion on top of it. Now here I'm adding a few olives. This too is totally optional. Now our pizza bread is ready with the toppings. This will go into the oven for 10 minutes on 200 degrees centigrade. For the pizza sauce we'll require 3 to 4 tomatoes puree, 5-6 chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon mixed herbs, half a teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon chili flakes, half a teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder and salt, 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 chopped onion, 2 teaspoons sugar. We'll start by frying our garlic in a pan with 2 tablespoons of oil. We'll be frying this for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame till it starts kind of browning. You will know this when it starts leaving its aroma and the garlic turns slightly brown in color. At this point we'll add the onions and again fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. The best part is you can make this sauce a few days in advance and store it in a container in the fridge. So whenever you want to make these pizza breadsticks, you'll be ready with your pizza sauce. Once the onion is turned translucent, now we'll add the mixed herbs. We'll also add our salt and pepper, some chili flakes. Now we'll stir fry this for a while until all the ingredients are blended well with the onion. And then we'll be adding our pureed tomatoes to this sauteed mixture. And we'll cook this until a stage till the tomatoes turn soft and the sauce is reduced. Simultaneously, we'll also add the other ingredients like the chili powder and cook this for a while, stirring all the time. Now after 4 to 5 minutes, our sauce has reduced. Now we'll add the tomato sauce. And we'll cook this again, stirring all the time until all this blends well. and until it reduces into a good thick sauce. Now we'll be adding 1 teaspoon sugar. This is to balance the sourness of the tomatoes. We'll be cooking this sauce for another 1 minute and then switch off the flame. If you do like your sauce with a smooth texture, you can go ahead and grind this mixture after cooling it down. But I do prefer my sauce to be in a pulpy form, so I'm going to leave it as it is. Now our sauce is ready and we are done. You can use this delicious pizza sauce on a normal pizza, or you could also use it on the pizza breadsticks like this. Hope you have liked this recipe of pizza breadsticks with pizza sauce. If you do, don't forget to like and share this video. Also leave a comment below. Do subscribe and stay tuned to Le Homemade for more such recipes. Take care and happy cooking.